Alright, so meron pong mag-share sa atin tonight. Actually, isa siyang hinanghangaan ko rin dito sa lingkod, no? Isa siyang police officer and isa din siyang empleyado and ngayon isa na siyang platinum rank dito sa lingkod. So yung first sharer natin tonight, let us all welcome by typing clap emoji dyan sa ating chat box, Coach Giselle. Hello.
Tequila.
All right. Welcome. Let us all welcome Coach Giselle po. So siya po yung ating sharer tonight.
Hello! Nag-echo ako. For a while. Dali lang ha. Okay, naririnig ako, di ba?
Yes,
Nag-echo
Coach.
po ba
Loud and
ako?
clear. Wala na po.
Minute ko na lahat eh. Ayan. Ayan, naririnig ako?
Loud and clear, Coach.
Okay. Ano lang ako, mag-share screen. Allow me to share my screen. Ayan. So, meron po ba tayong mga guest ngayon? I'm actually expecting a guest right now. Meron akong dalawang invited na stranger. I hope they are inside the Zoom. Kasi di ko ma-recognize yung pangalan nila. But anyway, good morning para sa lahat ng may mga matataas ang pangarap. Katulad ko, patip naman dyan kung mataas ang pangarap mo, mag-type ka ng 100%. Bawal ang mabagal kasi ang mabagal pinag-iiwanan yan. Okay, pakitype po 100% kung ikaw ay may mataas na pangarap katulad ko. Okay, baka sabihin, ay, napaka-ambisyosa naman ito. Diba? Kailangan natin maging ambisyosa. Okay, we have the privilege to become so very ambitious because we are in the company that can really give us the life that we deserve. Okay, the life that we think we more than the life that we deserve more than what we deserve. O, di ba? Saan ka ba nun? Okay, magpapakilala muna ako. As you can see, my name is there, Giselle L. Duquilia, and I am a very proud affiliate marketer for more than 2 years already. Yahoo! Yahoo, yahoo, yahoo. Yahoo, yahoo, yahoo. Okay? So, totoo po yung sinabi ng ating host na ako po ay ayan. Ako po ay dating teacher. I became a teacher for 9 years right after I graduate my college. Okay? So, I really call myself as a blessed person kasi hindi pa ako nag-apply. Talagang pinuntahan ako sa bahay para magturo. But I did not experience teaching in a public school kasi ayaw ko talagang magturo. But what I'm doing now, as if I'm just a teacher. Okay? So, yan. So, I became a teacher for 9 years. And since I was able to marry a police officer, yes, naging police din po ako for 11 years. Diba? Sino po dito yung guest natin na nasa military din yung trabaho? Okay? I hope nakaka-relate kayo sa akin ngayon. Okay? At yung mga naging teacher din, I mean, to be exact, yung mga naging empleyado and still employee right now. I became an employee for 20 years and that's 2 decades. And so far, I've learned a lot. I've learned so much in life. I've learned to solve problems because We are, 'di ba? Kung wala ka na daw talagang ibang sort or wala ka na daw talagang ibang magagawa kapag nandun ka na sa very low moment in your life, all you have to do is really to be strong. Oo, di ba? So ako, I'm very grateful na I became a teacher and I became a police officer kasi yung dalawang yon tinulungan talaga ako nila. I mean, na-develop talaga ako personally. Okay? When it comes to strength, when it comes to facing the crowd, talking in front of the crowd, dealing with people, and that I am using it now. So, sa mga nagsasabi na sinayang ko lang daw yung aking education, yung aking eligibility, yung aking hindi ko po talaga sinayang yun kasi ginagamit ko po sila ngayon and it's very useful po. Okay? So, ayan. So, kailan ako napunta dito kay Livegood? Kung nakikita nyo yung picture na sinushow ko ngayon, nakasama ko po sa aking pagiging pulis ang dalawang naging chief PNP. O, di ba? So, naging part po ako ng Livegood 2 years, more than 2 years already. And it gave me so much already. I mean, yeah, who would have thought na in just a span of more than 2 years, kumita po tayo ng hindi lang 1 milyon, bilang 2 milyon. At, di ba, papunta tayo sa income na wow, na an ordinary employee cannot have that for that couple of, di ba, for that span of time, 2 years. Kung meron ka man ganong income na empleyado ka, kasi alam ko PNP is one of the highest paid employee nowadays ito sa Pilipinas. Kapag meron kang ganon na pera, I mean, na hindi mo inutang, okay? Sa PNP, magkakaroon ka lang ng ganon pero uutangin mo talaga. But not with Livegood because when I joined Livegood, talagang napawaw talaga ako. Wow, it's really a wow. Earning that much na hindi mo inutang yung pera na yun. Diba? Nakahawak ka ng ganyang kalaking pera. Diba? So, ibig kong sabihin, this company is not an ordinary company. It's really an elite company. It's really a company that, I mean, talagang, magiging bukang bibig mo because it will give you really what the company can give you. Diba? So, here you can name your price. Yeah? Kung sasabihin mo, I want to earn 10,000 every week, pwede yan dito kay Livegood. I want to earn 100, more than 200,000 every month, pwede yan dito kay Livegood, but not in the employment. You cannot have that amount. Kahit gaano ka kasipag doon, oh my God. Kahit ganong schooling, seminar, and all, yung pasukin mo or aralin mo, you cannot have that. I mean, you cannot name your price because they have the system that is far different from this company. Diba? Tama po ba ako? Pa-type naman po ng yes kung tama yung sinasabi ko for those who are employee na mga nakikinig ngayon. Diba? Oh. Yes. Diba? Here in the company, name your price and you can have that. Okay? If you're always tired as an employee, naging empleyado talaga ako. Diba? I can attest to that, na talagang I was really working hard. Kahit gano'n ko kasipag, hindi ko nakikita yung life ko doon na, will I be staying this way for the rest of my life and retire? Yun yung point ko. Since we have a choice in life, since I know that I have a choice in life, I went to an opportunity or I joined in the opportunity that will really give me what I deserve. Diba? Kahit hindi ako magaling, kahit hindi ako kagandahan, kahit ganun lang ako, kahit ganito lang ako, because I know my value, I know what I deserve, pumunta ako dito. Hinanap ko yung company na kung saan karapat-dapat or makikita ko yung deserve kong income. And that income, I can, bless, I can share it with my family, okay? I can have it as my pamana because this is a business, guys. You cannot pamana, you cannot hindi mo maipapamana yung pagiging empleyado mo. Hindi mo maipapamana. Kaya sabi ko, paano na lang pag nawala ako and I'm an employee? hindi agad-agad yung anak ko magiging pulis. So, anong mangyayari? What will I, di ba? So, yun ang naisip ko. I should have something, I should be doing something na bagay na pwede kong ipamana sa aking anak. And that's why I found Live Good. Kasi anytime, we do not know our life, di ba? Okay, so may maipapamana ako. The business that is really wow, that's really amazing. Okay? So yan. Yan na naging pulis ako at simula nung naging pumasok ako kay Live Good, nakapagpatayo kami ng kantin, parang catering din na din siya banda kasi nagki-cater kami ng pagkain para sa mga pulis na mga nasa loob ng camp. Ayan, kita nyo naman. Diba? At, of course, naging platinum po ako dito doing Live Good sa 5 months lang ata. So, nakuha ko po yung platinum rank. Oh. So, ibig sabihin yan, yes, nagpagod ako, yes, talaga naman, kahit nga yung nakaupo ka lang, nakakapagod, di ba? Di ba? Where else in this world na hindi ka mapapagod, kahit nga nakatulog ka, napapagod ka, di ba? And yet you're not earning. But here with Live Good, yung pagpapaguran mo, it will be worth it. It will be worth it. Okay? So, nakapagpalabas po kami ng isang Montero Sport. Palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan. Diba? So, sasabihin ng iba na, totoo ba talaga? Yes, it's true. Okay? I am a living testimony that it's really true and it's really possible here in Live Good. Okay? So, yan po ako. Okay? Eto na lang ngayon, pag-usapan natin, puso sa puso, pag-usapan natin, heart to heart. I mean, pangarap sa pangarap, kakausapin ko po kayo ngayon. May mga taong may ipon pero walang idea paano palaguin, kaya't nauubos lang. Tama po talaga yan. Marami pong taong may pera. But because they do not know how to handle, they do not know where to put their money, they do not know how to spend it, nawawala, nauubos. Okay? At may mga tao naman na umaasenso kahit walang pera, gamit ang idea or sistema para kumita. And if you are listening to me right now and hindi ka pa part ng company na to, you don't have enough money but you have a money that can start with this business, wag mo nang pag-isipan ng sistema. Mag-decide ka na lang. I mean, yes, mag-decide ka na lang. Wag mo nang patagalin ang pagdidesisyon because magtagal ka magdesisyon at magdesisyon ka ngayon, nagdesisyon ka pa rin. The only difference is that you are going to waste your time. Di ba? Time is the only precious thing that we have in life. I mean, yes, ang pera mauubos yan, ang pera madaling hanapin yan. Pero yung time na i-google mo, ang time na i-waste mo and thinking of, will I really join? Di ba? So magdesisyon ka na ngayon and matututunan mo na lang yan as you go along, like what we did. Okay? So ito ang mga karaniwang pangarap nating mga tao. Di ba? Pangarap natin magkaroon ng sasakyan. Ano ba yung gusto mong sasakyan? Sedan ba? Pick-up ba? SUV ba? O, di ba? Dito kay Live Good, pwede mong gawin yan. I mean, you cannot, okay? Hindi mo kailangan mag-limit dito because what I said is really possible. Everything is possible. Why? Because the system of the company can really afford, yung sistema na ginawa ng CEO can really afford all the people that will, believe, will work with the company at maniwala na kaya yan. Okay? Lahat tayo nangarap ng bahay. Ano ba yung gusto mong bahay? Bungalow? I mean, ako, I'm just an ordinary person, but what is in my mind right now, papatayuan ko ng swimming pool ang bahay ko. Oh, di ba? Sabi ko nga, walang limitasyon dito. Okay. Pero kung empleyado ka, you are an ordinary employee at iisipin mo magkakaroon ka ng swimming pool sa bahay mo, para ka lang nangangarap ng gising. But with Live Good, you widen your imagination kasi kayang-kaya yan. Bakit ko sinabi? Kasi meron na pong nakagawa dito. Meron na pong tao dito na nakagawa, nakapagpatayo ng swimming pool sa bahay nila. So if it's possible for that person, it's also possible with me. Why? Kasi magkaparehas kami ng company. Magkaparehas yung sistema, magkaparehas yung ginagawa namin. Di ba? So, pangarap din natin na mag-travel. Pwede yan, possible yan dito kay Live Good. Why? Because the system, the compensation plan of Live Good, kayang ibigay yan sa'yo. Diba? Big savings. Health. Okay? Questionin pa ba natin yung ating health na yung ating products are really focusing on our health that will really help us, doing the business while being healthy. Mayaman na yung bulsa mo, mayaman pa yung health mo, mayaman pa yung ugali mo. Kasi as you go along, as you go to your success life, nagiging maganda yung ugali mo. Kasi sabay-sabay talaga yan. I-form talaga yan. I mean, i-align ka talaga sa lahat ng bagay. And that's the good thing here in this company. Okay? So, ngayon, itinanong ko na to sa sarili ko, kaya tatanungin ko ulit kita. Tatanungin kita, saan mo ba dapat kukunin or saan mo ba naiisip kukunin ang pangarap mo? Kukunin mo ba yun sa 40 years career employment and you retire at 60? Okay? Ay, yung nanay ko po is an employee. Nung nag-retire siya, I was expecting that she will have a lot of money. But I was so frustrated kasi hindi nga niya napaayos buong bahay namin at I do not know kung nabayaran niya ng buo or na full pay niya yung bahay namin. At sabi ko, I don't want to have a life like that. Diba? Tama na yung hanggang doon na lang sa nanay ko. Okay? So, ewan ko, talagang iba lang talaga ako mag-isip na hindi ko binibilito lang sarili ko. I know that I am a child of God and I know that God will really give me that. Kasi nagtitiwala ako sa Kanya eh. Pag magtiwala ka sa Kanya, gawa ka lang ng gawa at makikita niya yung puso mo, makikita niya yung isip mo, makikita niya na talagang gusto mo yun at ibibigay talaga niya yun sa'yo. But we have to have an opportunity na mayroong sapat na kakayahan ibigay sa'yo yun. Okay? At bakit ko sinasabi? Sa employment, ang dami kong nakilalang nag-retire na until now they're still suffering, they're still struggling. Ako, I still have more years to reach that age ng pagiging retiree. Hindi pa, matagal pa. So with Live Good, I can just do that probably 3 more years or 4 more years. O, di ba? So I will be retiring. Di ba? Simple-simple na lang, simpleng buhay. Bakit simple? Gumigising ka na wala kang iniisip. So, simple lang iniisip mo, magkape, pasyal-pasyal dyan sa garden mo, ligo-ligo sa swimming pool mo, yung ganung bagay, di ba? Where else do you want to get your pangarap? In a traditional business? Alam mo, nag-traditional business na din po ako. Okay? I spend a big capital, really. Mga 200,000 sa isang parang mini grocery. Pero nung nagyulanda, nung nangyari, wash out, lumutang lahat ng paninda ko. Goodbye 200,000 at pinang-utang ko pa yun. That was really a big capital. Okay? At kung wala kang skill sa traditional business, you're so kawawa. Why? Because it will be a trial and error. Trial and error because it will really take risk. Okay? And there is a big competition when it comes to traditional business. Merong kang tindahan dyan sa lugar nyo. Pag ang kapitbahay mo nagtayo ng sari-sari store, kakompetensya mo na yan. It means there is really a competition. At limited ang iyong client. Why? Because the only people who can buy, who can be your client are the people just living in your area. But not with Live Good. Diba? Live Good has 200 plus 200 plus countries where you can find your client. Okay? Saan mo kukunin ang pangarap mo? Franchise sa business? Jollibee? 45 million? Do you have that money? And if you have that money, that's good for you. But for those who do not have, and for those who are really talagang hinahawakan nila yung pera niya, why have that business? When there's an opportunity that you will only be spending how much? Diba? Okay? Magsi 7-Eleven ka, that's 6 million. Yes, everything is provided, but that's a big amount already. Okay? Next, mag-OFW ka, you will go out. It is also a risk. You spend a lot of money. I mean, hindi lahat ng naging OFW, gumanda ang buhay kasi nung umuwi, hindi nakapag-ipon, yun, magsimula pa rin from the scratch. Diba? You will not just spend 100,000 if you become an OFW. Your starting amount to spend for this, for being an OFW. Okay? Magpupolitika ka. Are you sure that, di ba? Hindi ganun eh. Di ba? Ang question ko ngayon, saan mo kukunin yung pangarap mo? Where? Mag-aartista ka, mag-vlogger ka. Do you think that all people will like you? Hindi eh. Di ba? But with Live Good, murang puhunan, the system is there. It is proven. Why? Because a lot of people already earned. And until now, they're earning. And isa na po ako doon, until now, I am still earning. Diba? Tuloy-tuloy, tuloy-tuloy. Okay? Kung magpapagod na rin lang ako, dito na ako magpapagod kay Live Good. Kung magsasalita lang din naman ako, ang sasabihin ko na palagi kay Live Good. Why? Because I already proved to myself that this is really working. This business really is not just an ordinary business. Diba? Hindi ko pa nga hinataw yan ha. Kumbaga, hindi pa ako humataw. Nagsisimula pa lang. But I already benefited a lot of, blessings. Okay? Next. Ito yung mga karinumang sinasabi ng mga tao, hindi ko yan linya. Sino ba yung pinanganak na lilinya ito agad? Diba? When my mom gave birth to me, hindi ko alam kung anong buhay ko. I really don't know. All of us, we do not know. Okay? Sino ba yung pinanganak na doktor agad? Sino ba yung pinanganak na piloto agad? No one. And if you will tell yourself, I will not join Live Good because hindi ko yan linya. Pulis ako. Hindi ko to linya, pero lilinyahin ko kasi dito ako yayaman. The deserved life that I will have is Live Good. Si Live Good meron, magbibigay. Hindi ako magaling. You know what, when I was in elementary, high school, and college, hindi ako ganito kadaldal. I mean, hindi ako ganito nasasalita. I was really aloof. I was really a loner. Pero I tried to push myself, sabi ko, bakit hindi ko gagalingan? I mean, lahat tayo pare-parehas. I mean, pinanganak tayo ng Diyos. May mata, may ilong, and all. Okay? So, tinanggal ko sa sarili ko yung hindi magaling. Sinabi ko sa sarili ko, magaling ka. Pinipepto ko yung sarili ko na kaya ko. Because si Coach Harold yan, hindi ang graduate ng college, kaya niya magsalita, ako pa kaya. Diba? So, andyan si Coach Harold talagang kinukumpara ko yung sarili ko. If he was able to do that, I can do that even more. O, diba? So, may mga tao hindi magaling, but nagiging magaling sila because they are really inspired and tinuruan nila ang sarili nila na maging magaling because if that's the only way for you to have your life that you deserve, then be magaling and push yourself. I mean, talagang itulak mo ang sarili mo dahil may igagaling ka pa. Okay? Yung iba sinasabi na, mahiyain daw sila. Yun ang sinasabi ko. Kung ang hindi pagiging mahiyain ang ikakayaman mo, tatanggalin mo ba yan? Kung ang hindi pagiging mahiyain mo ang magbibigay ng aircon ng bahay mo, kung ang hindi pagiging mahiyain mo ang magbibigay ng masarap na pagkain sa refrigerator mo, tatanggalin mo ba ang pagiging mahiyain mo? Kung ang hindi pagiging mahiyain mo ang makakapag-solve sa pag-araw-araw yung pagkain, bigas and all, and give your life or the dream house, the dream car, everything, the travel, the health, the education of your children, tatanggalin mo ba ang pagiging mahiyain mo? Tanggalin mo na. Because ang pagiging mahiyain is a pride at ang pride kasalanan yan. Di mo alam, no? Ngayon alam mo na. Now, sinasabi ng iba, walang pera. I started here broke. Wala akong pera nung nagsimula ko dito. Pero I thank God that there is GCash na pinautang ako. Yes, umutang ako kay GCash. And, di ba? Until now, I'm still grateful with GCash. GCash kung nasaan ka man, magpakita. Di ba? Yun ang sinasabi ko. Okay? So you decide. Okay, alam mo ba kung ano yung buhay mo ngayon? Yun yung decision mo 5 years ago. Now, kung hindi ka pa kontento sa buhay mo ngayon, kung nakikita mo na nahihirapan yung family mo, nahihirapan ka financially, at hindi mo maibigay-bigay ang gusto ng family mo, mag-decide ka ngayon. Para next 5 years, iba naman yung buhay mo. Okay? Again, kung ano yung buhay mo ngayon, yan yung naging decision mo 5 years ago. At kung ayaw mo sa nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon, mag-decide ka ngayon that you have to stop. I mean, you have to decide really for yourself now and for your family. Kasi after 5 years, papasalamatan mo ang sarili mo na nag-decision ka at umiba ka na ng landas. Hindi ka na gumaya sa 99% of people, gumaya ka na sa 3% people na iba ang ginagawa. Okay? You know what? Journeying a success life is a lonely road. Napaka-lonely road po. Kasi hindi lahat ng tao, di ba? Hindi lahat ng tao andoon yung confidence. Pero andito kami. sabay-sabay tayo. Sabay-sabay tayong maging lonely, sabay-sabay tayong, umiyak. But at least, alam natin na may future tayo. Okay? And be ready because there are a lot of discouragement. Your family, your friends, and your neighbors, the people who are closest to you, will be the first person who will discourage you and who will not believe in you. Ako nga 150 kami na police. Ako pa yung president. Ni isa, walang may sumali sa akin. O, di ba? So, we don't know. Probably 5 years from now, they will be knocking on my doorstep and they would like to be part of the company already. Okay? So, join now. You are going to earn now. Join later, you will earn later. Okay? So, ito yung pinapakita ngayon, yung mga activities namin. And, here are the people that was able to have a car because of this company. That's all for me. Thank you so much. Go back to the beautiful host like me.
Alright, so thank you so much, Coach Giselle. Grabe, nakakahawa yung pagiging energetic nitong ating host tonight, ng ating sharer tonight, sorry. Grabe, parang kahit nantok-nantok ka, nagigising yung diwa mo pag siya talaga yung magsasalita, no? So, na-inspire ba kayo? Okay. So, kung na-inspire kayo kay Coach Giselle, mas mai-inspire kayo sa ating second sharer tonight. Okay? So, itong ating second sharer tonight, isa siyang French fries vendor. Pero grabe guys, narating na yung diamond rank dito kay Live Good. And soon, di ba? Soon, magiging crown diamond ito sa Philippines. Alright? So, let us all welcome Coach Harold Pangan. Alright, Coach, nandiyan ka na ba?
Hello. Thank you, Coach.
Alright.
Coach Mea, thank you. So, sa lahat po ng guest natin, ako po pala si Harold Pangan. So, hindi na natin patatagalin to. Ako po ay dati pong French fries vendor. Ako po ay dating water vendor, siomai vendor, scramble vendor. Nung bata po ako, banana Q vendor. So, buong buhay ko po, vendor po ako. Nung na-invite ako dito, February 10, 2023, water vendor naman po ako. So, yun yung panahon na yun, ay baon na ako sa utang. That was 2 years ago. 2 years and 4 months na po ako sa Live Good. So, ngayon, tawa ng Diyos, nabiyayaan po tayo. So, gaya nyo po, nangangarap din po ako. So, nakita ko yung opportunity na to, hindi ko na pinalampas. Kasi kung papalampasin ko pa tong opportunity na to, saan ba ako pupunta? Sa pagtitinda, mula nung bata ako, nagtitinda na ako. Hanggang tumanda ako, nagtitinda na ako. Wala naman ako naipon. Baon ako sa utang. Wala akong bahay. Nakikita na lang po ako sa isang maliit na kwarto. 18 years. Oo, 18 years. Oh. 18 to 19 years, mga ganon. Nakikita na ako sa isang maliit na kwarto. Hanggang sa nag-diamond ako sa Live Good, nandun pa rin ako sa kwarto na yon. So, salamat at nagkaroon ako ng opportunity. So, ngayon, hindi natin patatagalin, guys. Tapusin ko lang itong share ko sa pag-share sa inyo ng journey ko through video. Okay lang po ba? Ayan, share lang po ako ng short story ko. Okay.
Live Good Dabang! Live Good Binyan Laguna! Live Good North Caloocan! Live Good! Live Good Valenzuela!
again, kung ano man yung buhay mo ngayon, kung nahihirapan ka ngayon, that was your decision 5 years ago. Ngayon, decisionan mo, this will be the end of my financial crisis. And 5 years from now, you will be proud of yourself. Diba? Yes! Okay? This is your now. You decide. If you will not decide now, 5 years from now, you will have the same life.
Yes!
You will have the same situation. Balikan mo yung 5 years mo, yung buhay mo. Kapares ang balik ngayon, it was your decision. I'm talking to you heart to heart tonight.
Parang
Something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Say tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
yun. Mapapasayaw ka talaga eh, no? Yung ganyan ang nangyayari sa'yo sa negosyo to. Mapapasayaw ka talaga. So, back to you, Coach. Thank you.
Alright. So, yun. Na-inspire ba yung lahat? Okay, di ba? Grabe talagang kahit sino mapapasayaw doon kung yun yung ma-achieve mo dito kay Live Good. Di ba? So sa mga guests na nandito ngayon sa Zoom, get back to the person who invited you guys. Mag-decide na kayo ngayon. Hindi mamaya, hindi bukas, kundi ngayon na. Okay? So, thank you so much, Coach Harold, sa opportunity na sa pag-facilitate ng Zoom na ito. And of course, sa co-facilitator sa IT department. And thank you, of course, kay Lord dahil sa opportunity na nakapag-ipon-ipon tayo dito sa Zoom para malaman natin yung marami pa tayong malalaman about sa business, no? Sa slow way and sa fast way. So, may announcement pa po ba kayo, Coach? Wala na?
Wala na po.
Wala na. Okay. So, i-end na natin itong Zoom. So,